Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little graduation look for you all, or like a formal event makeup look. Either way it works and it's absolutely gorgeous and glam. So I'm starting off with some skincare. I just used the Charlotte Tilbury serum elixir, and now I'm applying the magic cream. I absolutely love this cream so far. I've been using it for the past few days and my skin has been loving it. Now I'm applying this lip balm by Laneige. It's the lip mask. Moving on to makeup, I'm just setting my brow hairs using the Anastasia Brow Freeze. And now I'm trying out the new Huda Beauty concealers, and I'm just using this to clean up underneath my brows before I go in with my eyeshadow primer, which is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I actually really like this primer a lot. It really soaks up any oils or anything like that on your eyelids and elongates your eyeshadow wear. Now I'm going in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm using the shade I'm pointing at the screen, and I'm just applying that into my crease. If you notice, I just switched my brush to something a little smaller and more dense, and I'm using the darker brown shade, mainly in the outer corners, just to build some depth. Now moving on, I'm going to be lining my eyes using this gel liner from Kiss New York, I believe, or Ruby Kisses, one of the two. And I'm just lining the top lightly and the bottom as well. Now I'm going in with this small, short smudging brush, and I'm just winging out that liner. Just dragging it out towards the outer corner to just give me basically like a wing, but not too serious. Now I'm using the Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just using that to cut my crease, but not really, because I'm going back in with this brush and the dark brown, and I'm blending out all the edges so that it looks very soft. I'm applying the dark brown eyeshadow again just to really make sure that edge is very blended, because I don't actually want a cut crease. Now I'm packing on this nude matte shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just placing that on my eyelids, packing it on until I get my desired color payoff. Now I applied some mascara. This one is from House of Noir, and then I cleaned up my eyes using just a makeup wipe. So for lashes today, we're using the Noir 35 lashes in the style Tacktical. This is one of my favorite styles, you guys. If you get any of their lashes, get this one. It's so pretty. And then moving on to foundation, I used basically a foundation mix that I'll show you guys. One side is high-end, another side is drugstore. The review is coming soon, so I'll see if you guys can figure that out, which side is which. But then I went back in with the Huda Beauty concealers once again, and I'm just using that to highlight underneath my eyes. I'll put all the shades in the description box just because I don't have them on hand right now. But this is a slightly lighter shade that I'm applying just to add a bit of brightness in the inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going in with this darker color, and then I'm just using that to just contour the perimeters of my face, the sides, just to make them look more chiseled and just give me some definition to my face. Blending everything out using my foundation brush, and then going back in with this smaller brush to blend out my nose contour as well. So I decided to try out the Huda Beauty powders again, and I'm using the shade Pound Cake, and I think I'm gonna move from Laura Mercier to Huda Beauty because I love this powder. Like the consistency, the formula, all of it. It was so nice. But yeah, I'm now setting my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Almond, I believe. And for bronzer, I'm using the Morphe bronzer in the shade Trailblazer to contour my nose, as well as to just chisel the sides of my face. Now for blush, I'm actually using some eyeshadows, and these are from Dose of Colors. This is their, I think, Baked Brown palette, and I really love these colors. And then I'm gonna spray my face using the Charlotte Tilbury spray. Definitely use a spray that will make your makeup last all night long, especially if you're going out for an event. Moving on to the lips, we're almost done, guys. I'm using the Trendsetter lip liner from Morphe. Definitely a staple for brown girls. I think I'm gonna do like a lip liner video for brown girls, like must-have lip liners. And then I'm just applying some lipstick. This is from Smashbox, and I believe it's called Latte Matte. Moving on to my eyebrows. I'm like all over the place, so I'm going back to my eyebrows, and I'm just using this Blossom Cosmetics brow pencil. It's from a Nigerian brand, Really like it so far. Going back in and just blending everything out to my face. And now we're back at the lips, and I'm applying some clear gloss to just over the lip liner. And then after that, I'm gonna apply a nude lip gloss by Dose of Colors on the center of my lips. So this is just a hack you could try to make your lips look super juicy and full, and I absolutely love the finished look. Now I'm highlighting the tip of my nose and the bridge as well using the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter, my absolute favorite highlighter. And then I'm also applying a little bit to my cheekbones as well and the inner corners of my eyes too. Moving on to hair. Alright, so this hair is just my wig, my birthday wig that I had, and my little sister who does hair, she styled it for me as usual. Absolutely love how it looked. I just popped this on just for like a very classic, you know, look. For perfume, I'm using the YSL Libre perfume. I hope that's how it's called, I don't know. But I absolutely love this perfume. Whenever I wear it, I get so many compliments. But this is the hair and the perfume. Let's move on to outfits. Alright, so this outfit is so cute. I got this blazer from Zara recently. I love the feather on the sleeves, and I paired it with just this pair of pink shoes because I just thought it would add like a different look. And then this is just a second outfit option just in case if you want something a bit more subtle. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a good one. Don't forget to check out my other videos, guys, and follow me on Instagram, okay, and TikTok. Okay, bye.